Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. For those of you that are subscribed, you've noticed that I haven't been posting any videos these past couple weeks and months. The reason for that being that my boyfriend and I started our own little Instagram business. It's called @themodernwest_ on Instagram. You can go ahead and find us there. We would really appreciate a follow. But yeah, we've been super busy with the store, so I haven't had time to really film anything, but I do want to start getting back into it, with this being the first video back. So as you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be trying the Pica Pica candies. So Pica Pica is an Instagram page where they sell like a bunch of different candies coated in this like chile and chamoy mixture. It looks like this on the inside. We got the variety pack, which comes with, I think, all 10 flavors that they offer. It's kind of like a little taste testing so you can see what you want to order. And I couldn't really help herself, so.
I'm so excited for this one.
So we
it's not even a challenge, but I'm excited for this video. We ate the gummy bears yesterday. They're so good.
But we haven't tried any of the other flavors, well, except for Six Dreams.
We tried 2 flavors.
Okay, two
different kinds of candy.
I had to try an extra one because my students and I had like a little fruit roll-up contest today. Yeah, for our Zoom meeting. So she didn't try it, but I had to do it because I didn't have fruit roll-ups except for the spicy ones. But she still will get to try those. We have the fruit roll-ups, gushers, gusanos, which are like gummy worms, and sour punch.
And then right here we have Sour Patch.
Yeah.
Skittles. Nerds, which is like nerd ropes.
Yeah.
And watermelon.
Yeah. And the packaging is honestly so cute.
It is.
It's like this lime green packaging with like just a simple
cute
logo on it. Okay, Anaí and I are really obsessed with like chile candy lately. We tried making our own.
It didn't really work out. I mean, it wasn't bad.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Oh my god.
Okay.
So good.
My mouth is watering.
It's good.
It is good.
It's really good. It's really sour. That's really good.
It's kind of salty too, though.
Yeah, but I really like it.
Okay, next are Sour Patch. I'm not really a fan of Sour Patch.
I like them.
I just like the red and blue ones. You like this? Coated in the chito.
This is a
red ready?
one, It kind of just tastes like tahini.
I don't really like those. It's because I don't like Sour Patch Kids, so
I'll take them.
I'm not a big fan of those. So next we're going to try the Sour Punch straws. I'm really excited because I love Sour Punch straws. They're probably my favorite candies.
Same here.
Are they like different colors?
No, I think they're just
No,
red.
they're just all red, yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. It smells like strawberry. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Dude, they're so good.
Oh wow.
These
really
are
good.
amazing. Oh my god.
I'm not really excited about those.
Me either. I don't really like Skittles either.
You know what I think it's gonna taste like? Like sour Skittles. In a way.
Yeah.
But with like spicy.
Are they sour?
I think so.
Yeah. I feel like the Skittle flavor overpowers the chile.
You can't really taste the spiciness yet.
It really overpowers it a lot.
Yeah, I really don't like these at all.
It tastes like normal Skittles. Okay, we'll try the gummy worms next. The gusanos. I know you don't like gusanos that much, huh?
I'm not really a big fan of gummy worms.
Look like this on the inside. I haven't been showing what they look like on the inside, but it's just this. Oops. Go. Look up on the.
Really good like that.
These are good too.
Those are really good.
So next we're gonna do the fruit roll up. Like I said, I took one out already because I had a little challenge with my students today, and I ate the other one. But I mean, it's gonna try this one. It looks like this, guys. It's literally just rolled in there, pressed. I feel like this one reminds me of the Skittles because it overpowers it too.
Yeah, these wouldn't be my favorite.
And you're gonna order them?
I was gonna order
yesterday. They literally, I feel like some of them, the flavors are so strong in the candy that it overpowers the chile. Like this one, you taste more of the actual fruit roll-up than the chile. Then go in with the watermelons. It's like your regular little sandías. Can I take one? So look, the hands one.
It does smell like the hand.
You ready?
Oh, it's really chewy.
It's actually good.
It tastes like those lollipops, Sandia lollipops.
Like in a chewy version of them.
I like those.
They're so good. It's the one that we've been waiting for. I think this might be like their most sold out item, right? You said it was sold out.
It was sold out last time I checked.
I feel like this is like the most popular item. Gushers. I feel like that's the candy everyone uses for their chile candies too when they're trying to make them. Go.
It's overpowering too. So it's not what I thought it would taste like.
Yeah, I feel like the Gusher again overpowers the chile like a lot.
Because it's sweet. Which one was your favorite?
Definitely, I think I'm gonna say where is it? The sour and straw.
Punch.
That was hands down my favorite one.
I think my favorite one was the Nerds. I have to say the Nerds and the Punch.
The gummy bears are really good too, though.
The gummy worms. Yes.
The gummy worms? I like the gummy bears too. They're really good. I would give the overall like candy like a 7.
A 7?
Yeah, the whole package like a 7, just because there were some that I wasn't really impressed with.
Yeah,
for sure.
I would give it a. I think an 8.
An 8?
An 8 overall. Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be posting more videos
this video
soon. Yes, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.